Hello everyone, it is me, Frida, and today I am doing a animal POV for therians to help with shifting. I'm sorry the crickets are really loud right now, but just so you know, this video will cover all types of different therians, such as bats, birds, cats, coyotes, bears. No, I can't do fish or burrowing just yet. Because all I have is this phone and I can't really dig in the ground with these sad looking human hands. But yeah, and before we start, I just want you to know that don't be sad if you don't shift instantly. It takes a while to shift. Sometimes it won't take people very long at all, and sometimes it takes longer. So, yeah, and also not all therians shift. Not all therians have to shift. And, yeah, sorry, I'm just kind of on my swing right now. And without further ado, let's get right into it. This first animal is going to be a cat. This next animal is going to be some sort of flying bird. It's not a big hawk. So, yeah. This next animal is going to be a farm animal, and it is a sheep. Before we do the sheep, I do have sheep, but just so you know, sadly I'm not able to go in the sheep pen because I don't want to risk letting the sheep out. So I will have to do it right next to the pen. Sorry guys. Sorry to all my sheep therians. Bleh.